Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will discuss about another type of computer because we were discussing the different types of computers and we have discussed about cell phone, laptop, palm tops, smartwatches, and now the turn of the type of computer is mainframe computer. So what is mainframe computers? Because there are so many computers everywhere in this world, and we cannot say that the computer we are using at our home can be used for all purposes and for all assignments. It is impossible. So there are different types of computer for different types of tasks and different types of purposes that we use. Maybe some computers can be used for the educational purpose, some computers can be used for the defense purpose, some computers can be used for the commercial purpose, and some computers can be used for the industry and manufacturing purpose. So now, today we'll discuss about the mainframe computer. What is the functions of mainframe computer basically? This is the picture. This is the old mainframe computer you are looking on the screen. And nowadays, this is the latest mainframe computers are in this type of shapes. Just like it is a large cabinet with a lot of width and height. And it is just like a lockers and a cupboards. And what is the main functions of mainframe computer is the main function of mainframe computer is to distribute different types of data among all the computer which are connected to it. And it is basically this computer is a very large scale computer, and a thousands of computer, even a millions of computer can connect to this one mainframe computer. And this computer can save a large amount of data and huge amount of data related to users, related to employees, related to customers, related to things, and related to products. So these type of mainframe computers are now not very popular, and they are using everywhere in throughout the world. First of all, we can say that it's a it's you can say that it is a very powerful computer, and uh, you can say the name comes from the days when the individual components were housed in large frames, often room sized. So this because uh, this computer has a lot of hardware connected to it. So we can say that the different types of hardwares, when combined all together in one shape, and it is mean housed in large frames. So their main purpose is to run commercial applications such as banking and insurance, where huge amount of data need to be processed every day. And one another examples of airlines company. So in airline companies or railway companies or cellular phone companies, there are a lot of customer are there, and they are going to exchange different types of information with each other in every time. So now I will discuss about the features of mainframe computers. Features mean characteristics of mainframe computers are. There are round about six in your book. First of all, they have several CPUs, mean as far as the processor is concerned, your home PC and your laptop that you use in your daily life have a one CPU in this. And if laptop or PC can have a one CPU, then you know that what type of functions they execute with one CPU. But imagine about the mainframe computers, which has several CPU, even a millions of CPU having in a mainframe computers. So that is why it is called a very powerful computer. Second, if they have a very millions of CPU inside mainframe computer, automatically the speed of this computer is concerned. It is a very very fast processor speeds, and you can support, and this computer can support multiple operating systems, and multiple operating systems, not one operating system at the same time. Means Windows operating, different types of operating system can be attached and can be installed on this computer system. They have very huge amount of storage capacity, mean a lot of data, because this mainframe computer is used for large companies and international companies. So if the multinational companies are concerned, no doubt there there will be a lot of customers and employees who would be working there. So as far as the nature of this computer in terms of association with the internet multinational company, this computer can have huge amounts of storage capacity. And the second one feature of this computer is because it has huge internal memories, because for example 700 gigabytes of rams are in this mainframe computers, because you know that ram is just like a working area considering inside the computer system. So when we discuss about the computer memory, we are basically talking about the random access memory. So in this computer, there are a lot of random access memories are working all together, and so the automatically speed would be very high. And the last one is they often operate using time sharing or batch processing. Means it has two techniques to share the data. One is time sharing, and second is a or both batch processing. Batch processing or a time sharing means at the same time it is the one task is distributed among the users so fastly that each and individual users can consider that there is nothing any interruption from the computer, and the whole the whole focusing of main computer is to me, and there will be no any type of interpretation, sorry, interruption. So the time sharing is a very important feature of mainframe computers, because you know that computer cannot execute any task to multiple tasks at the same time. So the time is going to the time is going to share all the users so fastly that it seems that the mainframe computer is not going to classify the time and divide the time among the users. So these were the features of mainframe computers. इसकी मैं एग्जांपल टाइम शेयरिंग की इस तरह बता सकता हूँ आपको कि कोई भी टास्क जो कंप्यूटर में कोई भी दो या तीन टास्क कोई भी कंप्यूटर एट द सेम टाइम परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकता। वो एक टास्क को मुख्तलिफ टाइम्स में इस तरह डिवाइड करता है कि यूज़र को ऐसे लगता है कि वो जैसे कि उसमें कोई इंटरप्शन नहीं हो रही। मसलन अगर आप कंप्यूटर पर दो टास्क एट द सेम टाइम यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं, मसलन आप टाइपिंग भी कर रहे होते हैं और गाना भी सुन रहे होते हैं, तो ना आपकी टाइपिंग डिस्टर्ब हो रही होती है और ना आपका गाना डिस्टर्ब हो रहा होता है। लेकिन इंटरनली जो कंप्यूटर प्रोसेसर होता है आपका, हालांकि वो सिंगल प्रोसेसर होता है, वो इसमें टाइम शेयरिंग कर रहा होता है। यानी कुछ टाइम एट द सेम टाइम, कुछ टाइम वो टाइपिंग को दे रहा होता है और कुछ टाइम गाने को दे रहा है, और वो इतनी तेजी से टाइम को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट आपस में शेयर कर रहा होता है टाइम को, कि यूजर को ये पता नहीं चलता कि कहीं के टाइपिंग में कोई टाइम डिवाइड हो रहा है या गाना सुनने में कोई कहीं कंप्यूटर टाइम को डिवाइड कर रहा है. तो this is time sharing concept. Inshallah, next time we'll discuss about the next topic of the book. Uh, for by that time, I get permission from you. Please be careful and study yourself and get the detail from the book. Thank you.